I'm Joe Thompson with CertainTeed. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install base flashing and wall covering on a parapet wall. I'll be using Flintlastic SA self-adhered membranes, but the detail steps are the same with any modified asphalt application method. A proper base flashing detail actually starts in the field. Terminate your field membrane a minimum of 2 inches above the cant. Then, on a maximum wall height of 24 inches, start your anchor or base ply turned over the outside edge of the wall by 2 inches and extend it into the field 4 inches, overlapping any base flashing already in place by 4 inches. Nail that off with standard metal cap nails, 4 inches on center on the outside edge. A minimum of 4 fasteners in any laps, and 12 inches on center in the field of the wall. To ensure a long-term bond with Flintlastic SA self-adhered membranes, FlintBond, or another approved surface treatment, is required anywhere an overlap occurs onto a granulated surface. Your cap flashing terminates at the top edge of the wall and extends 2 inches beyond the base in the field. Even though the membrane is adhered, nail off the top edge using metal cap nails every 9 inches on center to prevent vertical slippage. Again, where the cap overlaps the granulated surface in the field, FlintBond, or another approved surface treatment, is required. Seal this top edge off with a bead of FlintBond caulk. To prevent any granule contact with the underside of the metal, install field-cut, smooth-surfaced, weatherproofing strip turned down 2 inches on both directions. In this detail, I'm using Flintlastic SA Plybase. Last step is to install your FlintEDGE coping per published application instructions. For more information, visit CertainTeed.com/commercial roofing for construction details, or contact CertainTeed Commercial Roofing Technical Services.